everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make kakiage. Thinly cut vegetables are the main ingredients of this recipe. You can add seafood if you like. Basically, you can use leftover vegetables in your fridge, so it's a really casual dish. It can be a side dish with tempura sauce, or you can put on top of the rice to make a rice bowl. It's called tendon or kakiage-don. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut aluminum foil and fold into quarters lengthwise. Make a ring. Fold the ends together. Make 2 rings if you're going to deep fry 2 at a time. Now let's prepare the vegetables. You need onion slices, carrot strips, corn adds a nice sweet flavor. Add the tablespoon of flour from tempura batter ingredient. Coat evenly with your hands. Now let's make tenjiu tempura dipping sauce. If you know, Kombu Dashi is a vegan option. And add mirin and soy sauce. Mix well, then boil in a pot or microwave until it comes to a boil. Now let's make tempura batter. Make sure to add ice cold water not to activate the gluten. The batter should be lumpy, do not overmix. Add the vegetables and toss lightly. Heat deep frying oil and place the rings. Put the vegetables in each ring little by little. When the bottoms are cooked, remove the rings. Flip them over and cook thoroughly until crisp golden. When they are done, drain well. And now it's done. You can serve with tenjiu dipping sauce. Serving on top of the rice or udon noodles is very basic and delicious, so you may want it to try. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.おかしいでしょ。美味しいね、いいね。
カイカイのご飯美味しい。カイって聞こえたけど。カイカイのご飯。カイカイのご飯。
かき揚げのご飯ね。
じゃあねとお願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。バイバーイ。はい。
上手だね。